In this experiment, we are going to investigate the images formed by a cosmetic mirror and a standard mirror. Hello everyone, I'm going to perform the experiment about the concave mirror. So what we have here is a cosmetic mirror and a standard mirror. So we have here a screen and I have an alternative which is a paper which I only pasted oil. Now lastly is the candle. Okay. So let's start and perform the experiment. So to start the experiment, we are going to lit the candle and then start to move the candle back and forth. Okay. And then observe what happens to the image of the object or the candle as we move the candle back and forth. So examine whether the size of the object on the mirror changes as we move it closely and as we move it further. Also see to it whether the image formed is inverted or upright. We do the same procedure as the first one that we have executed. Okay. So what we do here is to move the candle back and forth also. Now we lit the candle so that we can start performing the experiment. Now look closely on the images formed as we move the object closer and as we move it farther. As we move the candle closely, what can you observe? Does the image formed enlarge or reduced? But how about if we move the candle farther from the mirror? Does the image enlarge, reduced, or the same? Additionally, observe whether the image formed is inverted or upright. So what can you see? Does the image form inverted or upright? We have here a setup which includes the cosmetic mirror, a candle placed at the center, and lastly is our screen which is placed at the right side. Okay, so this is how the setup looks like. Okay, to formally start, we lit the candle first using a lighter. First, we move the candle closer to the cosmetic mirror. Now observe the image form. Next, we move the candle farther from the mirror. Then, record what you have saw or seen in the screen. After this, you are now ready to determine its type, magnification, and orientation. Next is the standard mirror. Your setup must be like this. The standard mirror is placed at the left, the candle at the middle or center, and the screen at the right side. First, we move the candle closer towards the mirror. Then, after that, we're now going to move the candle farther to the mirror. Again, don't forget to take note of its magnification, type, and orientation.
That's where the experiment ends. So I hope you enjoyed and have observed the different images formed when we change the distance of the candle or the object